And then the sun came out, so we can get back to doing stuff. Yeah, that didn't take very long to remove a big chunk of all that loose old render. I should really go and get me chisel, but for now we'll just use that. That's it, there we are. Yeah, I'm a little bit curious as to what lives. Oh, bless me. What lives in that hole there? Yeah. I wonder if I want to find out. This is fun, isn't it? Oh, well, we found out. Right, I suppose I better mix up some show and get that all pointed in. Yeah. Never a dull moment, eh? Now, I'm kind of looking for opinion. I don't know why I'm looking for opinion, because I've got several of my own about what to do with this. This is the front panel of the charrette. And let's face it, it's had, oh yeah, let's not drop it, it's had a rough life, hasn't it? It's got a couple of interesting looking splits that could quite easily join up and the whole thing could fall apart. It has got wormholes everywhere. Of course, it's got all of the fixtures and fittings that I've removed, and I'm looking at it thinking, is this actually just firewood, or is it just a pattern that I can replicate, or is it something that I should try to restore using very modern epoxy glues or whatever, and cramp it up and see if we can return this particular piece to service on the front of the little charrette. I don't know, haven't made me mind up yet. Yeah, is it repairable? Is it worth repairing? Or should I just put it across the circular saw and burn it?